Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's video, I'm actually going to be showing you guys how to protect your digital assets so that when you sell an edible file on Canva, people can't use the graphic design or elements that you used to create the item and use it for other things. So if you want to learn how to lock your graphic designs, that way the customer doesn't have access to them, this video is for you. So make sure that you watch all the way till the end because I'm going to show you step by step how simple it is to lock your graphic designs. So let me head to my computer and I will show you how to do so. So let's go ahead and get started. So here we are in Canva. And let's say this is the edible file that you're selling, that you don't want the customer to use these flowers for other things other than your file that you sold to them. In order to lock these flowers so they don't move and they don't use them for other designs, what you would technically do is that before you create the design, so you would need to delete this. Before you create the design, you put in the elements or the graphic designs that you're using. Once you have it set up and you like how it looks, you will save this as an actual file. So you would save it as a JPEG and then download it to your computer. From there, you wait until it processes. What I would recommend is go ahead and drag it and drop it to your desktop. And then you will upload it back to Canva. So you will upload it, find the document that you just saved, which is right here. So I'm going to go ahead and upload it. And it's going to be one of the new files now is right here. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to create a new design. So I'm going to go ahead and create a new design. The size is 8 by 10. That's what I was working with. And I'm going to upload the photo that I just downloaded back to Canva. So it's right here, and I'm going to put it right here. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure that I extend it to fit the paper. And this is going to be the file that you will give to the customer as an edible file. Here is where you will go back. You will put in your wording, whatever it was. So mine was, please grab a favor. This is the one that you will give to the customer as an edible file. But now they can't change the graphic design or the element that you have or use it for other purposes because the file is locked in. This is how you do it. Let me know in the comment section if you have any additional questions, and I'll be more than happy to help. And thank you guys for watching.